Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the iPhone 12 Pro with iOS 14.1 on my BMW 330i G20 Series, and this is with iDrive 7. So what I want to show is how CarPlay works and looks with iOS 14 on a BMW iDrive 7 system. So it's going to look the same for almost anything. First you have to pair it, and then you have to accept that you're going to use CarPlay. And then usually it auto connects, but because I was messing with the car a lot, I had to do a manual connect device this time. But usually it's been really good ever since they've updated iOS and iDrive 7. It hasn't had too many issues. So the way you get there is that you go to the top, or you click up and then you click CarPlay. And the way it works is you have this new home screen. So now you have widgets, and the downside is it's only for maps, but when you play Spotify and have maps, you can have your navigation and your music all right there. The other thing that's a big improvement is that when you make a phone call, you can finally from the home screen mute or end the call. So you can do your navigation and have the phone call there. As soon as you end it, it goes back to your music. So I've been using this for several months now since the iOS 14 beta. And it's been really smooth, really good. And one thing to keep in mind, I am doing all of this wirelessly. So this is with wireless CarPlay with iDrive 7. And it doesn't use too much battery. It's actually quite an amazing use of technology, and I've really enjoyed it for navigation and music mostly. Now the other thing that's new is the wallpaper here. So you can see it's not bland anymore, and we do have settings. So you can do not disturb, you can change the appearance, and my favorite, you can change the wallpaper. So you have a few to select from, solid colors or these presets here. So I chose this blue and green one. You click set, and that's all it takes really, and then you have this new wallpaper on CarPlay. So I've enjoyed it thoroughly. One thing to keep in mind is you don't have to stay in CarPlay, so once you're playing music, it can share the album art here. And that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.